Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll share you the code I have written to play rock paper scissors with the computer. So let me show you what I have written. So I will open my VS Code, and here as you can see this folder, projects folder, and there is a file called rock paper scissors. I have written this 19 lines of code to play rock paper scissors. Let me show you. If I run this code, choose something from rock paper scissors. I will choose rock. Sorry, what happened? I'll choose rock. It's a draw because he chooses rock again. I'll choose paper now. Computer wins. That means he chooses scissor. Now I will choose scissor. Again, he wins. I am gonna play this until I win. Rock. Computer wins. I'm gonna choose it again. Computer wins. How he's winning? I win. So this is the code I wrote a few days ago, and I was thinking, why not record this and share with you guys. So I am not gonna write this again because थोड़ा बहुत lazy हूँ मैं, इसीलिए. Let me show you how I did this. First, what I did, I import random. So random is a built-in module in Python. As you can see, let me search it here. What is random module in Python? What is random module in Python? A random module in Python is a built-in library that provides functions to generate random numbers and perform random operations. It is widely used for tasks that require randomness, such as simulation games and testing. So as you can see, this thing is saying that random module is used to generate random numbers and perform random operation. It's like performing actions that are pure random. Okay, so here is this thing. We import first. We import random, and then we choose these functions, like import random to randomly return a float number between 0.0 to 1.0. Import radiant to return a integer between a and b. Let's say a is 1 and b is 100, like that. Import. So there is another function, random uniform, to return float numbers. Then this was for returning random numbers, and here this random choices, this is for returning random choices. And this shuffling and seeding, we will come to that later. So here let me show you what I did. First I import random, and then I write this line. I said to print it the line welcome to the game. Then another line to print that says I have chosen a random object from rock paper scissors. Let me delete this. Rock paper scissors. So while true, this is a function. Yes, this is a function. So let me just for a second. No. And after writing this thing, here's this thing, while function, while loop. So this says until this all things are true, repeat this unless this is true. The moment this thing becomes false, this logic is false, stop. It will stop it automatically, so we don't have to do anything at all. So here is user choice. It's a variable user choice, and here I said input, choose something from rock paper scissors. So when I will run this code, it will ask me to choose something from rock paper scissors. Then there's another variable, computer choice is equal to random dot choice rock paper scissors. So as I said, random choice, we use random choice function to choose random element from a non-empty sequence. So I use this function here. It is a variable that we use, that we created. This is a function, and the objects that are we gonna use. Then I said this again. I use conditional statements like if else. If user choice equals to computer choice, print it is a draw. It means if, as you can see, there is two equals, that means the value is same. In Python this means the same value. So if user's choices equals to computer choices, so it means if user chooses rock and computer chooses rock, so then it's a draw. Then I said if both choices are equal, then it is a draw. And if user choices equals to rock and computer choice equals to scissor. So this is the logic I am writing, I have written down. So if user choice is equal to rock and computer choice equals to scissor, or /n/or/ user choice equals to scissor and computer choice equals to paper, or user choice equals to paper and computer choice equals to rock, print you win. So that means, so what I did is I only wrote one elif condition and I put all these three conditions into that one elif condition. So if I choose rock and computer chooses scissor, I'm gonna win. If I choose scissor, he chooses paper, I'm again gonna win. Or if I choose scissor but he chooses rock, he's gonna win. So that's why I wrote here in else statement, print computer wins. If this elif logic becomes false, that means computer won the game and it will print it, computer wins. So let me run this code. So if I use this while loop, I can play this as many times as I want to play this. So here I run this code, and here I am gonna choose rock. Here in terminal I am gonna choose rock. It says computer wins because it chooses paper. Again I am gonna choose paper. It says it's a draw because he chooses paper again. And now I am gonna say Caesar, computer wins. So as you can see, this is an endless loop going to them again and again and again. Computer wins. I hope so. That's all for today. If you want to know anything from me, so just comment down below and I will definitely reply you. And don't forget to like and subscribe and share the video. Thank you guys. Bye bye.